Ever wondered how much a power lineman earns? Today, we're diving into the figures. A lineman's salary can fluctuate greatly, impacted by factors such as location, experience, education, specific roles or specializations, and the employer. The numbers we're going to discuss are approximations based on data from September 2021, so keep in mind that real-world figures may vary. Let's delve deeper into these salary ranges, shall we? Starting their career, linemen can expect to earn between $40,000 to $70,000 annually. As they gain experience, climbing higher up the power lines and in their careers, mid-level linemen may see their earnings rise to between $60,000 and $90,000 or more. For those seasoned professionals who've honed their skills, the potential exists to earn well over $100,000 each year. But remember, experience is not the only factor influencing a lineman's salary. Location, specialization, education, and the employer also play a crucial role in a lineman's salary. Geographic location matters because living costs can significantly impact salary levels. Specializations like working on transmission or distribution lines often bring in higher pay due to additional training and responsibilities. Education and certifications can also boost earning potential. Moreover, the size and financial stability of the employer can influence income levels, so a lineman's salary is not just about the years under his belt. Salaries for linemen can change over time and are subject to regional variations. To get a grip on the most current and accurate info, turn to recent salary surveys or check out job listings. Don't shy away from striking up a conversation with professionals in the field. Remember to factor in bonuses, overtime pay, and benefits when gauging earning potential. These additional perks can significantly boost a lineman's overall compensation. So keep these factors in mind when considering a power lineman's earning potential.